Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by prepping the sheet. Trim whitespace, confirm the lookup column is unique, and separate the lookup array from the return array so index can reference it. Next, choose the match mode. Use 0 for exact matches and 1 for nearest. Now type match, lookup value lookup array 0 to find the position. Once you have that position, don't press enter yet. Plan how index will use it as a row or column argument so results align with your layout. You now assemble the combination. Place index, return array, match, lookup value, lookup array, 0, when return array is vertical. If horizontal, supply matches the column argument. If your lookup lives in a header row, reverse roles, index, return array, row num, match. Use absolute references, $1, $2, $1, 100 so copying works. Once done, test with known values to confirm orientation. If you need two-way lookups, you finish by locking ranges with $, or converting them to named ranges, so formulas survive copying. Then wrap the whole expression in IFR to return a friendly message or default value when no match exists. Make sure to reevaluate relative versus absolute references. Mismatched sizes between lookup array and return array cause #ref. If you get hash and /a, verify the exact match and data types. One quick fix: use trim and value to normalize text and numbers.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.